Hello, I'm Shadow. We will learn about simple interest formula. Simple interest is a quick and easy method of calculating the interest charge on a loan. It is determined by multiplying the daily interest rate by the principal by the number of days that elapse between payments. The simple interest is given by P multiplied by R multiplied by T. P is denoted as principal amount in dollars. R, the interest rate in percentage. And T, the duration of an amount in days, or weeks, or months, or years respectively. This type of interest usually applies automobile loans or short-term loans, in accordance with the mortgage, shows you a calculation method. For example, you have a principal amount of $9,000, and annual rate 6%. If your payment is due on May 30th, you have to precisely pay. Failure to do so, you'll lose your savings account. If you have started the payment on May 20th, you have a difference in 10 days. Thus you have received a saving account of $5,400. Actually, in a month, equal to 30 days. Suppose, its fixed principal amount is $39.99. The finance company charges you interest for only 25 days. That is dropping interest payment to $33.32. Its rate is about 16.6%. The difference was 5 days before due. Conversely, if you have paid the loan late or after due, more payment will go towards interest than if you pay on time. As before, the due date is May 30th. Instead, if you have paid on June 3rd, which is late for 4 days, you'll get charged for 34 days of interest $45.32. This means, only $5.32 of your $39.99 payment goes through principal. Please note, for earlier payment, the final payment will be less than the original payment. For an exact date of payment, the final payment is equal to original payment. And for the late payment, the final payment is larger than the original payment. And here are the points to remember. Simple interest is calculated by multiplying daily interest rate by the principal, by the number that elapsed between payments. Simple interest benefits consumers who pay their loans on time or early each month. And auto loans and short-term personal loans are usually simple interest loans. So, you know how the simple interest works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.